Hello students, I wish you a very good morning and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our fourth chapter, that is basic geometry concepts. Yes. So in the last video we have discussed about the different parts of the circle like radius, diameter, chord, yes, arc. So many segments, so many things, so many parts we have discussed already, and even some parts about related terms to the circle we will discuss. So in this video we are going to learn about that what is the circumference and what is that semicircle and what is the sector we have to learn in this video. ठीक है students? So first of all, what is that circumference? Circumference का मतलब क्या है? Students, do you have here perimeter? Yes. Perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square, perimeter of triangle. Yes. So what is that perimeter of circle? That means we have to find the what is that boundary? What is the length of the boundary of that circle or boundary of the rectangle or boundary of the square? Yes. So that is called as a perimeter. That means what are the boundary? The length of the boundary generally called as a perimeter. But in case of circle we are representing just like a circumference. Okay, circumference, perimeter is not different. Just in the case of circle we are saying circumference. Okay, so let us discuss what is the circumference. Circumference means the length of the boundary of its circle. Okay, the boundary, how much the length, that is called as a circumference, or the perimeter of the circle is called as also circumference. So let us see what is that circumference. The length of the boundary of the circle is its circumference. So look at here students. Suppose this is one circle made by that one wire. आयरन वायर के साथ ये मेड होगा. हमें वायर को ऐसे हमें सर्कल बना के रखते हो. तो सपोज इधर से हम कट करके तो ये कुछ स्ट्रेट कर देंगे और फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर मेजर करके जितना लेंथ आएगा उसको बोलते हैं हम सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, द लेंथ ऑफ द वायरिंग required that made for this like circle, that is called as a circumference. That means the length of the wiring. ठीक है. So to find out that also different formulas also we can use the students in whenever we will calculation we will do, that time also we can use this formula. Circumference formula is equal to 2 pi r, मतलब 2 into pi into r. So 2 into pi into r, pi का वैल्यू क्या है ना, pi is one constant things. ठीक है, one constant value, that is the 22 by 7 or 3.14 also it will come. So according to that value represented you have to put that. So pi का value रहता है constant. So radius r for radius from this here to here how much distance, that we can put, and if you multiply this all the terms then we will get that circumference. Suppose one circle का radius कितना है, ठीक है, then very easily we can find out what is that perimeter. How like you have studied that perimeter of a square 4 into side, that is the formula. Perimeter of rectangle 2 of that l plus b. ठीक है, सेम लाइक स्टूडेंट्स सर्कमफेरेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या होता ना, 2 पाई r, 2 into pi into r, r का मतलब रेडियस. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्टूडेंट्स सेमी सर्कल. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सेमी सर्कल? ना स्टूडेंट्स यू नो दैट डायमीटर, एक्चुअली द डायमीटर डिवाइड द सर्कल इनटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स. ठीक है, जो डायमीटर है वो डायमीटर क्या करते हैं, सर्कल को दो भाग में इक्वल 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं और ईच पार्ट को सेमी सर्कल बोलते हैं. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? देखो बेटे, इधर व्हाट आई हैव ड्रॉन दैट वन सर्कल. ओके, एंड इफ दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डायमीटर बिकॉज़ दिस कॉर्ड इज पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल, सो इट इज डायमीटर, एंड दिस डायमीटर डिवाइडिंग द सर्कल इनटू इक्वल 2 पार्ट्स. This is one part and another one part this is. So this part or this part, any one of the part is called as a semicircle. Semicircle. ठीक है, this is one of the part is called as a semicircle. So look at here. So you have seen that vector that is what it has given that cakes or in your bone or anything, it will middle it will break. And equal 2 parts will make, what part we will observe, that is called as a semicircle. ठीक है. Next we will discuss about the students sector. This is also very related term and a part of the circle also. what is that sector. Okay, sector means students observe that here you have seen that here whenever that if you will see that one bakery, if you will see and there some sweet or that some cakes, they will cut like this parts. So cone types of like that, they will triangle shape like that they will make, that is generally sector. So how the sector, what is the definition of the sector? Sector हम किसको बोलते हैं ना, the sector is one part of the circle. This is one of the part of the circle. That whenever suppose this is one circle, if two radius, this is radius, this is also one radius, okay, two radius and a one arc, this is called as arc, length of arc and these two radius, the covering the region is called as a sector. The region covered by two radius and one length of arc and matlab one arc, that total region is called as what is that sector. Okay, so let us see that one particular definition. What is that? The region enclosed by an arc, arc मतलब ये, ठीक है, और of a circle and two radii, this is one radii, this is one radius, this is one radius, this is one radius, so two radii, radius का plural radii, ठीक है, joining the extremity of the arc is called sector of the circle. When that they will join two radius with the one arc, this portion is called as a sector, ठीक है, and this is generally half of the circle से कम है, तो इसीलिए उसको बोलते हैं minor sector, and this remain part is called as a major sector because the major arc with the two radius jointed, so this is called as major arc, and this part is called as a minor arc. Did you understand, friends? So because this, first of all already I have told you what is that major arc, what is the minor arc. So this minor arc with the radius joined and forming that figure or that enclosed figure is called as a sector. So how like the sector will come? This like a sector will come. This portion, if you cut and remove, this portion is called as a sector. Where this is radius, this is also radius, and this is one arc. So this is called as a sector. Okay? This closed figure, this region is called as a sector. In the circle I have shown this. This is one part of the circle sector. This is also one of the sector. ठीक है? So sector का मतलब क्या है? दो radius with the one arc. If enclosed, that figure will come. That is called as a sector. ठीक है? There are two types of sector. One is major sector. Another one is minor sector. Major sector कैसे होता? ना major arc का with तो radius combine होगा तो उसको major sector बोलते हैं. मतलब ऐसा है. Suppose ऐसा, ये भी एक सेक्टर है, ये रेडियस है और ये मेजर आर्क है, तो उसको बोलते हैं हमें मेजर सेक्टर, लेकिन इसको क्या बोलते हैं हमें माइनर सेक्टर. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट विल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट concentric circles. Students, what do you mean by concentric circles? You know the students, you have played that like some toys and you will observe that different colors with that circles like that it is there. Okay, so Newton's that disc also is there, you can see that different color with the disc. So these are the different colors, but the center is common. All the circles having same center point, that all circles are called as a concentric circle. Did you understand, friends? If so many circles if you draw and having their common point, common circle point, center of the circle, the center of the circle is common or the one. Every circle, this first circle center point this, second circle center point this, third circle center point this, fourth circle this, then these circles are called concentric circles. Okay students, I hope you have understand what is that circumference and what is that special semicircle, what is the sector and what is that concentric circles. Yes students, okay, already we have completed our that different part, related part of that our circle and other remain also geometric concept already we have discussed. Now next we will start that a new chapter. So best, it is very advice for you, important advice to you. You should must the practice. If any you have doubt, you can contact me. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.